This video we will see how to pair Birdfy camera on iPhone and Android. Full app setup and connection guide. So guys, to pair your Birdfy camera on the iPhone and Android, so initially preparation is charge the camera, fully charge the camera using the provided cable before pairing. Then connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So open your phone Wi-Fi settings and ensure you are connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The Birdfy camera will not work with the 5 GHz network. And get the app. Then download the Birdfy app from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store and create your account. Okay. Second thing is guys, enter the pairing mode. So guys, power on, press and hold the power button on the camera for 3 seconds until the blue light is turned on. So activate your pairing mode, double press the power button quickly so you will hear a periodic chime and the blue lights on the camera will be flashing rapidly. Step 3, pair the devices. So open your Birdfy app and tap the plus icon and select your module and choose your Birdfy camera or feeder from the list. Scan the QR code. The app will generate the QR code on your phone screen. Hold your phone screen directly in the front of your Birdfy camera lens and the distance of 2 to 6 inches. Then wait here and the audio prompts indicating the QR code scan was successfully. The flashing blue light will turn the solid and tap and app will finalize the connections. Then finalize the setup. Once connected, the app will give you the options to name your camera and choose the locations. So you can also enable your device location to assist with AI bird identification feature. So guys, thank you.